Welcome to my channel, Talk Like a Native. I'm Simon, and today we have an A2 listening video. This video is about being at the hotel. This video has 5 parts: checking in, requesting services, addressing issues, local information, checking out. This video has 30 questions, so let's get started.
Get a pen and paper to take notes. Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My name is John Smith.
Let me just check. Yes, Mr. Smith. A single room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have your passport or ID?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your room number is 312. Here's your key card. Breakfast is included in the price. The breakfast room is on the ground floor.
Great, thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you. Everything is fine.
Enjoy your stay.
Excuse me, could I speak to someone about getting some extra towels?
Certainly, sir. What room number are you in?
Room 312.
One moment, please. Okay. I've noted your request. Housekeeping will bring them up to your room shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, actually, could you also arrange for a taxi to the airport tomorrow morning? My flight is at 8 a.m.
Certainly. What's the airport's name and your departure terminal?
It's Heathrow Airport, Terminal 5.
Okay. I'll arrange a taxi for you tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. That should give you plenty of time, considering the traffic. Could I have your phone number, please?
Sure, it's 555-123-4567.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. The taxi will be there at 6 a.m. Is there anything further I can assist you with?
No, thank you very much. That's all.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant evening.
Excuse me, I have a small problem in my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What room are you in? And what's the problem?
I'm in room 312, and the air conditioning isn't working. It's very hot in the room.
I'm very sorry to hear that. I'll send someone up to take a look at it immediately. Let me just make a call.
Thanks.
We have an issue with the aircon in room 312. Please can you check? Okay. How long? Thank you. So, we'll have someone there within the next 30 minutes. Is there anything else?
No, that's the main issue. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We apologize for the inconvenience. We'll ensure the problem is resolved quickly.
Good morning. Could you recommend some places to visit nearby?
Good morning. Certainly. What kind of places are you interested in? Museums? Parks? Restaurants? Shops?
I'd like to see some historical sites and maybe find a nice restaurant for dinner tonight.
Well, the City Museum is excellent. It's about a 15-minute walk from here. And for dinner, there's a charming Italian restaurant called Bella Vista just around the corner. It's very popular, so it's best to make a reservation.
The City Museum sounds good, and how do I get there?
You can easily walk there. Just go straight ahead and turn left at the 2nd Street. Or, if you prefer, we can call you a taxi.
I think I'll walk. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the museum, and have a wonderful dinner. Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to check out of room 312.
Certainly. Could I have your name, please?
John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Let me just check your bill. Your total is $250.
Okay, here's my credit card.
Thank you. Just a moment. Your card has been processed. Here's your receipt. I hope you enjoyed your stay.
Yes, thank you very much.
Have a safe trip home.
Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this video. I want to know what score you got. Please write your score in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel where you can find a lot more useful tips to help you learn English. See you next time.